Hi friends. My name is Muneeb, and I hope you all are fine. In this quick tutorial, we will see how to make this type of timer inside of After Effects. So, without wasting any further ado, let's get started. Make a new composition. Press OK. Select Text Tool and type this. Search Slider Control Effect and apply it. Now, add timer expressions. I will provide the link in description. Go to the description and download it. After downloading the timer expressions, copy the expressions and go to the text. Then, hold on the Alt key and press this watch icon. Press the backspace button on the keyboard. And press Ctrl V on keyboard to paste the copied timer expressions. Now, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus K on keyboard. Go to Expressions and select the Legacy Extend script. And now you will notice you have 2 zeros on each side. So, for example, let's say that you wanted to create a 5-minute timer. First, make sure that it is 5 minutes long for the duration of the project. Make sure that the time indicator is at the starting point. Press the stopwatch to create a keyframe. We would go all the way to the end of this video and set its value to 300. And that is how you create a timer in After Effects. You can add more creativity to make it more awesome. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a like. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can also follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and always stay safe. Stay creative.